In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow other people to share your post on their Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here tap at your profile picture. Next, tap at menu icon and select settings. Here, tap at privacy, and the point is to allow other people to share your post on their story. You have to have public accounts. So if your private account switcher is toggled on, like in my case, all you have to do is just hit there to switch your account to public. This feature doesn't work on private account. Next, just tap here at story and then scroll down for a bit until you find allow sharing to story. Let people add your post to their story. Your username will always be shown with your post, so in that simple way, just by enabling this feature, you can increase visibility of your post if other people will share it to their Instagram story. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.